Hey foodies, and welcome back to my channel. It is Super Bowl Sunday and we're going to learn how to make some honey chipotle chicken tenders. So we're going to start out with some chicken tenderloins or chicken tenders and 3 cups of buttermilk, some hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Louisiana hot sauce, some pickle juice, and 1 egg, and we're going to give that a good mix all together. And then we're going to add some seasonings. I have some garlic powder, onion powder, some chili powder, some lemon pepper, and some Creole seasoning. You can add all your seasonings of your choice. That's just the seasonings I chose. And mix that in. And then what we're going to do is cover that and put it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to get another bowl and add some all-purpose flour, some cornstarch, and those seasonings from earlier into that mix. And we're going to give it a good whisk together. And then after them chicken tenderloins sat in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to take them out and drench them in that flour and cornstarch mixture. And don't forget, as always, the exact measurements will be in the description box. Then we're going to get some vegetable oil or canola oil or any other oil of your choice. Just make sure it's at 350 degrees before adding those chicken tenders to it. And we're going to fry those for about 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. And while those are frying, we're going to get started on our chipotle honey mix. So to that, we're going to add the chipotles to a food processor. And then I also added some chicken broth that I made myself, and I just blended that together until I got a nice consistency. And after blending the chipotles, this is an important step also, and which I did off camera, was I strained out any excess chipotle or peppers to make sure it was just a liquid form and no chunks. You can keep the chunks if you want, but I don't like the chunks. And then over medium fire in a medium sauce pan, I added 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, the chipotle sauce, 12 ounces of honey, and then I also added some lime juice from a half of a lime and a couple dashes of soy sauce. And I gave that a good mix and let it simmer until it got a good and nice thick consistency to it. Then we're going to check on those chicken tenders, and oh my gosh, they are so golden brown, looking nice and juicy. And we're just going to take those out, put them on a drying rack. You can put it on paper towel. I choose not to. but you can. And then after we get those out, we're gonna put them in a bowl, pour some of that chipotle mix over that, and give it a good stir. And what I'm adding to my chipotle chicken tenders is a mixture of blue cheese and ranch. Don't knock it till you try it. It is so good. And granted, I am a ranch girl. I really am. But this mixture is really good. And then I just sprinkled some green onions on top for the aesthetic. As always, gotta give the aesthetic for the food. And then look at those. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.